Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your address on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To add your address on Etsy, firstly open your Etsy application. The official page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Click on the human icon on the bottom right side of the screen. Click on Settings. On the next page, click on Manage Addresses. You can either change your address or add a new one. Click on Add a New Address option. Enter your country, full name, street address, apartment, city, postal code, phone number and then tap on Save. This is how you can add address on your Etsy application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.